its own. Wow. Anti-scratch. How long will it last?
We're giving a lifetime replacement and warranty.
A lifetime?
Yeah. Next time 10 for 10 days service charge.
Okay, very good.
You are from Philippines?
Yeah.
You can replace there also. This is the international warranty.
International warranty. Okay. What is your name?
Mina?
What is your name?
Mina.
Mira, from Nepal.
Mina, yes.
I love Nepal. Very good people. Very kind. How long you been here?
It's 5 years.
5 years in this company.
This company is 1 year's half.
1 year.
Half.
Only 1 year half. Okay. Guys, it has lifetime warranty
And replacement, yeah.
and replacement. So you can, it's okay. The price is good for those, for that kind of service and assurance that they can replace it and lifetime. As long as you have the receipt.
As long you have the self warranty, the protection.
Yeah.
If you lose it, no more warranty. As long you have the protection, you have the warranty.
Yeah.
If you lose it, no more warranty.
Oh my God, we should take care not to lose it.
Anyone interested, please come and
Yeah, anyone who wants to have their mobile protected, secured, and cleaned and covered nicely, come to Mobile Outfitters here at DFC, guys. DFC. Very good. Because I will cover it with no, like this one, sister. Oh.
if you take the with bumper is good. No? With bumper.
What bumper?
That bumper. Same like 360.
Which one? Show me.